We'll be unboxing and testing this 2-jaw gear puller. So 3-inch 75 millimeters Kincrome. Okay, so I'll try to open this one. This can be used for pulling out bearing and gears. Open this. So open this side. Okay. Okay. Here it is. What is the back of the box? I think this has the same. We'll try to use this one and taking out the bearing. By the way, I made the wrong opening of the box, so I opened this side, then it should be opening this side, so it'll be easier. Okay. Test this bearing puller to remove the bearing of this part. So just like this. Yeah. And tighten. Yeah. So just a little bit. That. Then I need a wrench to turn this thing. Okay. Now it's moving. I think a little bit more. Yeah. Now the bearing is done. So that's it. So easy to use. So, but I can see there's a little damage on the bearing housing. But this one is hitting the edge. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching.